I had lost some money and then I stopped. Then I could understand that this is not something I understand, so I won't do. As CAs, we are generally attracted towards the market, but that was more towards the fundamental side of things. So we were never introduced to the world of technical analysis. People like us, we never knew anything about it. That completely changed my thought process of looking towards the market. Yeah, I want to live like him. I mean, I've been working 16, 18 hours a day, not having any time for myself. Then I asked him, what do you do? Today, I cannot participate in the markets without the help of technical analysis. So when I'm trading or I'm investing, I got to be very sure of where I'm putting my money in. For me, it was like a magic moment when I learned that every stock trends. I've seen people go to many different places, doing many different programs, but ultimately I've not been able to find that success. But with Smita ma'am, from whatever I learned, and when I look at, it's not that I don't look at, I do look at many other courses, I did not see the need to go anywhere else. But overall, I don't see that anything as a barrier, whether you're 55 or you're 20, it's really no barrier. It's not a technology, it's a study. It's like learning a language. So you can learn a language at any age of your life. So the only way to counter that fear is confidence. And that kind of confidence you can only gain with a lot of knowledge. Technical analysis is one of the fantastic ways of developing that skill. Learn trading ka confidence with my trading.